IRS Form 4852 is the substitute for Form W-2, Wage and Tax Statement, or Form 1099-R. If you did not receive your W-2 or 1099-R from your employer or payer by February 14, or if the amounts on those forms are incorrect, you can use Form 4852 to report the information yourself and file your tax return on time. Enter your name, address, and Social Security number at the top. Provide your employer's or payer's name, address, and EIN. If you contacted the IRS to request your missing W-2 and they sent you letter 4852C, attach it. Describe how you determine the amounts you are reporting, such as using your pay stubs or your own records of wages and withholding. Report your estimated wages, tips, and other compensation on line 7. On line 8, enter the estimated federal income tax withheld. If you are substituting for a Form 1099-R, line 9 is for the gross distribution, and line 10 is for the taxable amount. Be as accurate as possible, and note any discrepancies between your records and what the employer reported. Attach Form 4852 to your tax return in place of the missing form. If you later receive the correct W-2 or 1099-R and the amounts differ, file an amended return using Form 1040X. Keep your pay stubs and any records you use to calculate the amounts in case the IRS asks for documentation. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.